First year of diploma has come to an end and now it's time to give the final exams. Come with me to experience the most hectic days of my first year, giving
never be number two.
with that spirit, I went with the flow and managed to complete all the essays and grammar by the end of the day. Good morning, guys. Wait a minute, let me switch on the lights. Okay, that's so dim, no charging. Oh my god, this is a lot of light. I'm not gonna get radiated early in the morning. So I'm gonna go charge this real quick and use this light. So ready with the light. Okay. And water check, my max books check, my pens check, time check, and no more checks. Let's just start. So it was my birthday, and the other day, after one day, I had my max exam, so I had to prepare for that. Birthday ke din ka excitement is another level. So I woke up early in the morning, I completed my namaz, and I started practicing differentiation. While coming to max, I was good with all the topics of trigonometry. I practiced it previously during my revision, and in these 2 days I had to cope up with all the other topics and also revise the trigonometry once again. Luckily for max, we have got 2 days time for revision. I thought ki one day I shall practice the classwork sums and the other day I shall do textbook and previous year papers, but my plans are not always so perfect. I couldn't complete the whole classwork within one day. I completed 2 big chapters, and I left the remaining 3 for the next day. And that day we had some chote-mote celebrations, which you will see in the further clips. One more thing which was roaming in my mind was ki because of my birthday, my studies, my preparation should not be affected. So that is why subah I started my preparation.
I took two of my friends for lunch and we soon came back home.
The next day.
Good evening everyone, just a revision update. Tomorrow is my maths exam and today I have been practicing since morning, remaining all the chapters, and now I'm going to complete the chapter of conic sections. I've completed differential calculus, trigonometry. As you all know, I completed these two chapters and today I started this chapter and I'm almost going to complete the conic sections also. I need to do the applications of derivatives and algebra, then I'll be done. These both are okay easy chapters for me, so I'll do them real quick and I'll solve the previous year papers and I'll just be done. So my goal is to just rock in the maths exam because that is my favorite subject. So let's see how far I can complete that.
Time flew away and my maths exam was completed. I gave my paper pretty well and yeah, let's just hope for great results.
So guys, physics revision is going on and right now I am in my last before chapter. This is sound and after this I have to read electricity and magnetism and I'll be done with my syllabus. Then I'll go through a quick revision and previous year question papers. The time is 8:15 right now. You can't see the time due to the light, tube light. So it's 8:15 right now and hopefully I'll complete it. And right now I'm drinking the mango ras. इसको क्या बोलते हैं, रसालू बोलते हैं in Telugu. What I generally heard till now is mango say you will become so fat, but you know what, I went to Google and I searched the benefits of this. It seems that it is rich in vitamin A and C and it is good for your skin, hair and eyes. So I just thought I can happily take this whole class. So it's just these are just little refreshing moments while you are studying. So let's just continue and let's just complete our syllabus and let's just hope to get 80 out of 80 in physics.
So I prepared very well for physics exam and so I gave my exam pretty well. I was so happy after the physics exam and then I started preparing for next chemistry exam. You see, when there are a lot of definitions in a subject, I tend to list out all the definitions in a paper and I write the starting 2-3 lines of the definition beside the heading. So after reading all the topics, I come back to this paper and revise all of them together. Sometimes when someone gives you a push or someone motivates you, then only you can start. In the same way, when I'm reading these definitions also, I sometimes tend to forget the starting of the definition. So if I write this in such a way, I look at them and revise twice or thrice when I'm reading. And when some random definition is asked, I'll be able to answer it easily. So if you liked it, make sure to use it in your study time too. And yeah, let's just continue with our chemistry preparation. I was revising chemistry by noting down some compositions, by practicing the chemical formulae, chemical equations and structures of different plastics. That's how my revision went on and finally my chemistry exam also went on really good.
The next day.
So till now 1 week was done and this is the second week in which I have my ED, BCE and C programming exams. So it was Saturday and I started making a sweet. It's gonna be homemade for the first time at our home, and I'm gonna make it. For sure, I've been assisted by my mom. She's the master chef, and I'm just her subordinate who's just learning. So I'll just give you a quick recipe of making kalakand sweet at home. So first you need to boil 1 liter milk without overflowing it on the stove.
Run.
Just kidding, my mama didn't tell me anything. That was another sad thing ki I was just standing in front of it and it just fell down. My mistake was ki I had to off the flame, instead I put the flame to sim. So that's what I was mistaken. So then I added little water into it and I transferred the milk to another bowl. I washed the pan and again got the milk into that pan. Coming back to the recipe, you need to add some grinded cashews. I've taken approximately half cup of cashews and grinded them. So I'm just adding them into the milk. Keep mixing the milk with one hand while adding to avoid lumps, but unfortunately a few lumps were formed, so I was just removing them and I mix it thoroughly. Then I added mashed khova 250 grams and half cup powdered sugar. Now sugar depends upon your taste, you can add more or less as you wish, and then I started mixing it. Now that all the ingredients are added, you just need to let it cook and you need to keep mixing it. It took nearly 1 hour to complete this process, so have patience and keep mixing. So look at the consistency right now, it's almost done. Thoda sa aur pani should dry right here. As you can see, this water in here should be dried and then it will be done. So finally I've made a sweet, approved. So it's ED preparation time and all my instruments are ready. So for drawing, I have my classwork here, so I'm just going through all the sums. I'm just looking at the sums and revising the procedure, and then I'm checking the sums of every plate. After completing each plate, I'm closing the book and doing the sums without seeing, just by looking the questions in the textbook. So that's what I'm doing, and if I complete all the drawing plates by today, tomorrow I'm gonna revise the question papers. And there is a lot of chance to twist the paper for drawing, so we need to be very careful. We should not miss the ultimate 60 out of 60 in drawing. So I'm just gonna work hard for that, and yeah, let's just go. I just took a small break and I wanted to eat the sweet which I've made, so I just heated it and kept it to set for a while. Let me tell you that this sweet was so delicious. I really liked it. If you like the recipe also, you can try it at home. So I was just doing drawing and I just wanted to tell you that a simple sum with just a box and 3 circles has all this dimensioning. So when you're doing the sums, it feels so artistic that you have to measure each and every value and draw. So it feels so artistic, and that's what I like about this subject. That was all the practice, and now it's 12:30 at night, and now I'm so tired. I'm gonna go for sleep, and I'm done with my ED preparation. Morning I'll just have just a quick revision and I'll be done. Bye bye, good night. So the time is 2 p.m. right now. I don't know why I'm showing this clock again and again, though the time is not visible in that. And now I'm shooting a video for a plan to study for basics of computer engineering exam. Then मेरे को डोसा खाने का मन कर रहा था, तो I just told a word to my mom and she just bought me the dosa. I was so happy and delighted. Now I'm gonna relish it and I'm gonna make a video, and hopefully you all will like it. So do watch that video also. So day after tomorrow is my basics of AI&ML exam. So let's just prepare for it and let's do the best in our
department subjects also.
So the BCE and AI&ML exams were also completed. I was so happy after the exams. One thing I noticed after writing all these exams is that diploma is not so easy. Like we study all the theory, question and answers and go for the exam, but the paper is completely application oriented. We need to know everything about the subject. That's why we call diploma a practical knowledge wala engineering. I'll give you more information in my further videos. So officially our first year diploma has been completed.
Anjum, hi. Hi. Diyamancha, hi.
So you see, making these videos takes up a ton of time, effort and energy, and subscribing in just 2 seconds would make up my whole day. So please do consider subscribing, and that's it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. If you did, make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you all in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye.